Hi, this is Maithili. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy tabular model project on analysis server and how to use evaluate query. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to deploy. Just build this, it's succeed. Then check the properties where do we need to deploy this project. This is my tabular server name. I have specified this. Click OK, and then I'm going to deploy. It's deploying. Maybe it's going to take a minute. It's asking me the user password ID I'm providing. Okay, or maybe a minute. It's going to take. Success. Okay, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open up, and then refresh. Here you go. This tabular project, it got deployed. So now I'm going to open up a new query window. I'll show you how to evaluate the transaction fact table. It's like a select statement. Just it's evaluating the table information. If you want order by, you can use this order by transaction sales date, anything like the ascending order, the transaction date, ascending order, like a descending order. You can use you can treat this like a SQL query statement. Only the slight difference. Evaluate, like the syntax is slightly different than the normal SQL transact SQL. Here you can combine two columns. It's like a sales data ascending and this price is descending. Something the jumbled order we are going to get. This one is sales date and the price, right? And then in case if we want to know salesman ID 3 specifically, just it's going to give you the list for salesman's ID 3, 5. It's like the transaction salesman. It's kind of filtering only for the ID 3. And in case we kind of calculated only for salesman's ID 3, but this sales date, it's there is no order, right? So if you want, you can include this order by sales date. So then if I run this, just the transaction date is order by for the salesman's ID 3. And here you can add multiple conditions. Here the salesman's ID 3, and in case if you want to know the sale price, if it is greater than 70,000, you want those details, just include that condition, like the transaction table price, fact table price is greater than 70,000. I'm going to run this. So this. I missed this evaluate. I'm going to run this. I got it. I'm going to minimize this. Okay. So here it's everything is ordered by sales date and the price. If you check this, everything is greater than 70,000. So salesman's ID 3 and order by sales date at the same time price if it is greater than 70,000. Just those list I'm getting. And then in case if I want only this here, I didn't include any filter. Now I'm going to include filter. Just filter 3, just filter 3 for salesman's ID 3, order by the sales date. I'm running this. See, just only the transaction salesman 3. Okay, and then here I'm going to use filter, but before that I have used calculate table, but I started using filter. So just the filter, this first this query is going to pull only the salesman's ID 3, and then I'm adding one more condition. It's like just come up, then transaction fact table, the price is greater than 70,000. So this is my another filter. So two filters I have included. If I run this, the same result. Okay, sales date, order by sales date, and the sale price is greater than 70,000. The same kind of we can include the condition like a double ampersand. So that's why we can avoid another filter condition. Here I have included two filter condition, right? So I'm combining basically this filter condition with this filter. Okay, so that's why I'm adding another condition. So this with the ampersand I have included. So if I run this, the same result it's going to generate. Now transaction sale date, it's ordered, and the price is greater than 70,000. And likewise, you can include this condition. It's filling data. And in case if you want to add columns like the transaction fact table price, you have to multiply this price 3 times. Then the new column, if you want to add, just add columns and then evaluate this. I'm going to run this. See, this is my new column. This is multiplied by the price 3 times. If you want to add, just simply use this add columns. Okay, and here this is the car and the model. Here the transaction factor related tables. It's going to count rows. Then I'm going to name this. Okay, now I'm going to run. So this is transaction cost count, then the column added, and then transaction fact table count rows. It's showing here. Then now I'm going to show you how to use summarize. It's kind of basically the summarizing. Just summarize. This is really advanced. You do not need anything. It's like no, it is not like a SQL query. Just you can write. Just simply write, evaluate, summarize this. That's it. It's going to evaluate, and it is pretty straightforward. Just it's giving you the cards, details cards, and then here I'm summarizing the transaction factor amount. Just summarize the result. Just how much the sum, the amount, the sum, and then summarized column. Here I'm summarizing ID and the amount. Let's run this. This ID and amount is summarized. So summarize is really, it's kind of basic concept of summarizing. So it's summarize surname, name, and amount. Yeah, here you can use cross join. It's kind of cross join of the salesman surname and the car. Then it's going to order by surname and car. And run this. Anything like simple cross join. Just type evaluate cross join and what are the columns you want. Just include them. And yeah, here this is a cross join. So we do not want any duplicates. So that's why we have to specify distinct. So I'm running this. Okay. It's like a cross join. We can use generate. Generate all. It's going to generate all of them. Okay, and then yeah, here evaluate. It's a row. There are two: Toyota trans count and Mercedes transaction count. It's going to calculate this. and then there are two rows, first row, second row, and then the first row information is calculating the sum of the amount where car it's equal to Toyota, like that. It's calculating sum of the amount in case the car, if it is a Mercedes-Benz, only we are concentrating two case, so it's kind of two row of it's a two row, that's Toyota times count. Here the row, and here I have included comma, so that's why it's listing here and here. And then in case if the BMW exist or not, we do not know, right, what kind of car exists. So just by using this contains, if it contains this car name as BMW, then I'm going to get true or false. It's true, it exists. Okay. Then if it exists, then count rows. They exist. So this is tabular model query analyzing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.